Welcome back to my channel Lifestyle Personal. Today, I'm painting 5 tiny stories on nails, from tropical vibes to cute animal faces. I painted the top with a calm blue and the bottom with warm brown, like sky and sand. Once it dried, I gently dabbed white to mimic soft sea foam or clouds. Then, using black polish, I drew a graceful palm tree swaying in the breeze. To finish, I added a coat of transparent polish, and just like that, my tropical escape came alive on a single nail. I started with green paint for the pineapple's crown, then filled in yellow for the fruit. A touch of maroon on top added a juicy twist. To give it detail, I drew thin yellow lines to form that perfect pineapple texture. And finally, I sealed it with a transparent coat. Fresh, fruity, and fun on my fingertips. I painted my nail pink, then added tiny black dots to shape cute circles. A touch of pink on top made them bloom. More dots on the sides and ends added flair. Finished with a clear coat, simple, stylish, and all neat. Tropical sunset on my nail. I started by painting the sky with blue on top and yellow below, blending the two to create a dreamy sunset effect. I dotted soft red and yellow to mimic the warmth of the setting sun. After sealing it with a transparent polish and letting it dry, I carefully drew two palm trees in black, standing tall in the evening breeze. To finish, I added one more coat of transparent polish for that perfect glossy look. I started by painting the bottom half of my nail brown. Then I added two big brown dots for ears and tiny black dots to make the eyes. Next, I painted white over the lower half to shape the bear's snout. With black, I carefully drew the nose and mouth. After it all dried, I added a clear coat, and my adorable little bear was ready to say hi. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lifestyle Personal for more creative ideas. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.